Want to learn how to follow on our VK app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, there are some of the ways through which you can follow people, not just one, but few of them. The first one is a recommended one by the VK app itself. You can simply scroll down and then you can search for the category to follow according to news. On the top you can see left corner there's an option of news, and then you can slide from right to left just like this. It's for you, and the one related to art, related to humor, movies, science, music, IT, coronavirus, all of the important topics around the world. So if you want to follow any of the pages related to it, you can simply search for the particular topic. I have just selected movies here, and if you want to follow this particular page, all you have to do is tap on this plus icon with a square around it on the top right corner. Just tap on it, and you can see that just by doing it, you are following this particular page. So the easiest one is to do this. I'm just going to search something on music. I'm going to tap on music. Either one, you can simply tap on this particular page as well, in this profile picture, and you can see an option of follow below message on the left corner. Tap on it. Just by doing it, you can see that you are following this particular page. You can tap on clips on the bottom right corner if you want to follow any of the account that quite interested you through their clips. So if you want to follow this account, all you have to do is tap on follow. Next to their name, you can see on the bottom left to their name, tap on follow. So you can see you're now following this account. So this is how you do it for the recommended one and the one that you like through the feed and the recommended one by the app itself. But if you want to follow someone by searching them, you can tap on the search bar on the top right corner next to the spell icon and then search for any of the thing. I am going to search for MSI Russia. Tap on this account, and I have already told you how to do it. Tap and follow on the left corner below message. Just by doing it, you can see that you're following this account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.